Okay, so we're at the dock house. I'm gonna get the hanger steak, and Robin from Sea Lake Journeys went inside and got herself some
Veg tray.
a veggie tray, a grab and go veggie tray. Well, let's see how this hanger steak's going to work out for me. Hey, I can see me, I can see you too. We're going to give this right here a whirl, the hanger steak. Here at the dock house. It's on deck 7 aft on Valiant Lady. That's good.
See, the gluten-free version, it doesn't have any sauce, so it's pretty bland.
You know me, I don't eat sausage steak no way.
Little yellow bird.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Tequila. Salt on the rim. All right, let's see if their tequila is any good out here. What do you think? It's tart, it's sharp, it's loaded with alcohol. Is that your assessment as well?
That's because what it is it's tequila and lime juice. It's not margarita mix.
There you go. It's tequila and lime juice, not tequila mix. You heard it here at Sea Lake Journeys. Okay, what's this?
It's supposed to be tequila, passion fruit liqueur, honey, and basil. All I taste is grapefruit.
Same here. I don't taste honey. I don't taste basil. I don't taste anything except grapefruit juice, which ain't even supposed to be in it. I think they brought me the wrong drink. That's what I think. Okay, we think this is what they gave me. A harbor side.
And this is what you ordered.
That's what I ordered. That's what I think we got.
Yeah.
Okay, what we got?
Okay, so we got shrimp, and it's got looks like oil and spices, and I think this is some kind of creamy horseradish, maybe.
2 hours later. Oh, and by the way, I'm giving you my second review of this drink. I've only drank that much of it. It still tastes bad, but man, is it hammer time. If I drink all that before supper, somebody's going to have to come get my wheelchair and carry me. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, we've met some great people already here on Virgin Voyages. A lot of solo travelers here. They're looking, as adults, looking to get on a ship away from the kids and away from the heavy party scene, but yet still have a great, enjoyable experience with fantastic food. So we've got a lot of great intake from some of those solo travelers here today on Virgin Voyages. Now back to the shrimp review.
So this is the thing. I was so excited because it smelled good. I did not find out if it was gluten-free first.
Okay, we'll be in the bathroom for the next 4 hours.
Oh, it is gluten-free.
It is gluten-free. Whoa, it's gluten-free, y'all. Thank goodness. I thought we was going to find out who clogged up that toilet on deck 5. So how is it?
It's really good.
They may have brought me the wrong drink, but I'll tell you what, this shrimp dish was fantastic. The sauce that went with it was spectacular. And the lady you see sitting over across from us wearing the blue outfit, she had ordered 2 of them and she gave us that one. and just for us to try. And thank goodness it was gluten-free, because there's a lot of gluten-free food here on Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady. So what I'm explaining to you there is how delicious I thought. But the video somehow lost its sound. That's okay. That's why we have voiceovers here at Sea Lake Journeys. And Robin from Sea Lake Journeys is also explaining about how she wants to order another one. So it was a great embarkation day that day. Met some great people, had some great food, had a drink I didn't order, but it was okay.
Okay, Sea Lake Journey crew, I'm now this far into this drink that I didn't order.
You did.
I didn't order this. I ordered something else. I got this. And this is equivalent, that little bit is equivalent to 3 beers or a glass and a half to almost 2 glasses of wine, depending on the wine. Just saying, if I finish this, I'm going to have to go get my wheelchair to take me to supper in 45 minutes. Thank you for watching. Amen. Okay, guys, it's 4:27 here on this adult-only cruising of Valiant Lady and Virgin Voyages. So the muster drill is between 3 p.m. and 4:30 p.m. They just announced that everybody on this ship has done their muster drill. Everybody. They're not calling out a list of names of, hey, Mr. Morgan Stanley, Mr. Bill Smith, you need to come down here and do your muster drill. No, you know why? Because it's all adults here on Virgin Voyages.
That's right.
How about that? Just saying.
Thanks for joining us here at the Dock House on Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.